Hashtag GizzyCredit. Hashtag GizzyCredit. Hashtag GizzyCredit. GizzyCredit. Anything you want, then you can get it. Don't get scammed, cause then you'll regret it. Hollywood legend. No longer gotta look pathetic. Gizzy.
What's good, my people? Your boy GizzyCredit here. This video is brought to you by our $99 do-it-yourself credit card funding system. This system teaches you where to go to get financing, whether you have bad credit and you want to start getting access to new credit. This system is going to show you exactly where we go to get people high limit credit cards. All right, so we have gotten people funding with this system, as many of you have seen from plenty of my videos that we show people, hey, this guy got 65,000, or this other person got some funding, or people who have done it themselves and have experienced success with getting high limit credit cards. So this system is going to also teach you about the algorithm that they use between authorized user or primary accounts, what the credit report needs to look like in order for you to get approved. Some Experian, TRANSUNIon, and EQUIFAX only lenders. It also details specific cards that are going to give you high limit, and of course some bad credit lenders as well. You also get to learn the equation that they go by in order for them to extend to you a high limit credit card as well. And most importantly, you get support from our website's online forum. So don't be shy. This system has been working for years and it continues to sell every day. If you want, send me your email address and ask for the funding system, and I'll forward you that information. What's good, my people? Your boy GizzyCredit here with results for this customer from Virginia Beach. Shout out to all the people down DMV area, Virginia Beach area. People call me all the time. As you can see, this is the email that I send to people when they start the process. As you can see, 128. And you see I was able to dispute TransUnion online, Experian online, and yes, we also disputed Equifax online. As you can see, February 6th, he got results for TransUnion. He only had one negative account on TransUnion and it was deleted. That's it, done. Now we will go into his Equifax report. We're going to go and click on January 26th. January 26th, he had two negatives on Equifax, 126. Now February 6th, all right, no more negative accounts. In 1 week, 2 bureaus done. Beautiful. Hey, don't forget, if you'd like to support my channel, we also take Cash App. Here is my Cash App ID. Thank you so much for the people who watch my videos, learn something, and eventually say, hey, Gizzy, thank you. I want to give you something monetary to keep your channel going. I appreciate you.
Don't get scammed. What you need is just a change of plan.